Thanksgiving, I'm most thankful for family, friends, that sort of thing. Togetherness, I think that's what the holiday is all about.
I am thankful for my family, my job here at Middleton Ford, and good health.
What I'm thankful for this Thanksgiving is Brewers had a great season, so that's always good, and also the family.
Definitely thankful for family, thankful for how this year is turning out.
I am thankful for this great country. I am thankful for my family and for the life I have to live.
I'm thankful for my family. I got twin 18-month-old identical boys, and I got a 4-year-old daughter, awesome wife. Thankful for family, all my other family and friends, and excited for a good Thanksgiving.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays from your Middleton Ford family.
For my family here at Middleton Ford.